So today we're going to do the 162571 chord progression page. That's very similar to what we've done with the 14571. So I'm just going to get started. The name of the chord that I'm using is D. So I look at my major scale chart and I see that D has 2 sharps. And then I go down and I copy the first 2 sharps from my chart. So I copy them in the exact place. From there, I'm going to write from the directions the chord progression numbers underneath. 1, 6, 2, 5, 7, and 1. So when it's lowercase like this, it means it's minor. Okay? And the chords are just naturally minor from the key signature, so you don't have to worry about putting any accidentals in front of them. So then I say, okay, what is the 1 chord in the key of D major? It is going to be D major. Then I say, what is the 6th note? So I go D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be the B. It is minor, so I'm going to put a lowercase m. Then I say, what's the 2nd note? So D, E. So E minor is my 2nd. And what's the 5th? A. And that's not minor. So then I go ahead and I'm going to put in my chords. So I write my D in root position. Now, I'm going to need to do smooth voice leading, so I'm going to look for common tones. So here's my B chord, and this is my working copy in between there. And I say, is there any common tone between D, F, A, B, D, F? The F is a common tone, so I'm going to want to keep the F in the same spot, right? So I've put that one there. So now I'm going to go back in, and this one's done. I don't need to color it in though, that was bad. I need to put my my B. And I also need to put in my D, but my D, I don't want it to be too far away, so that's where I'm going to leave it, and it's also a common tone. See the common tone here? Okay. So then I'm going to name that, and because my 2nd note is the one that's on the bottom, it's going to be a 1st inversion, so it needs to be a 6. And then I'm going to go do my E minor. So E minor, I'll put them here, and you say to yourself, hey, I can leave E minor in root position, and it will work just fine. That's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to do my A chord, and again, because because there's a 7 there, I need to have the extra note, the added 7th, okay? And then I say, is there any common tones? A, C, E, G, E. Oh, my E is a common tone, so let's put the E there. And then my G is also a common tone, so if I leave those in the same spot, and then I finish up with my A and C. And that, of course, with this being my lowest note, makes it a 4-3, so a 2nd inversion. And then I can end in root position again. Okay, I'll do the next one as well as an example. I'll even do it in a different color here. Let's do this one. It's E major. So E major has 4 sharps. And again, I copy the 4 sharps from the key signature chart. And then I write my 162571 Roman numerals. And then I need to know what the names of the chords are. So I do the alphabet from E up, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and then I number them. Okay, so I know that E is the 1st note. I know that the sixth note is C. It's sharp because of the key signature. My second note is F, and it's sharp because of the key signature. And then my fifth note is B, and it is not sharp because of the key signature. I know because these two are minor that I also have to indicate them up at the top with my chord names. And now I'm going to start by writing in an E chord. And then I'm going to do my C in the middle here to see what they are. See where my common tones are. And I have an E and a G. Those are common tones from my one chord, E and G, right? So I'm going to leave those here and then leave my C. So that would give me a first inversion. Then I have my F chord. Again, I can leave that in root position. Then I'm going to have my B7 with the extra note, which is the added seventh, and I'm going to keep my F and my A here, followed by my B and my D, and that's second inversion. And then my final chord is in root position. There you go. Have a great day.